Right, today we're going to bring a cordless grinder, but this is actually more than a grinder. Could be used as a drill, polisher, and especially a sander. All right, and they give you actually extra sanders in here, and to cut out certain devices, certain things, metals, and also polishers and rocks, stones. And these are my favorite, the little tiny ones, you know, where you're gonna have to run some cable. You could drill a little hole on them, and this is very powerful. It's a type C, charges in the bottom. All right, power, you hold on the power here, 1 2 3. Now a plus and minus is gonna level, is for your levels, but if you hit it again, it turns on 6. Look at that, 6 minus 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 to all the 1 all the way to, wow, all the way to 12. That is extremely a lot. So we're gonna keep it 5, and we are gonna use this. That's what we got it for. We're gonna use it because we do a lot of 3D printing. Yeah, this is my 3D printing shop. If you see, I got a lot of 3D models I got to fix, especially this guy. He's all messed up in the bottom. We got to drill extra holes in here and clean that out. And this is the perfect tool. I like that they give you the actual accessories with it. Now, to remove tools, you don't have to do any Allen wrench like other ones. You just hold on this button and you twist it and you hold it. All right, let's get started. So I like that they give you a little tool here to take this apart. Grab this button here, all right, loosen it up, all right, and then it comes with this one too, this tool. Then you tie it up, hand tied it first. I like to leave some space, and then once you get to that point where it won't move, you get the tool, and that's it, holding down the button. All right, we're gonna do this bottom first. This is where I want to actually fix the nose. Forgot to tell you, it comes with LED light too. All right, let's tie that one up. Safety first, drills in the middle. That's good, look at that. All right, stop this. All right, now that we have it, there it is. A little bit loose. We're gonna try to see if we could go all the way through the bottom of it. So, but stabilize.